The BRRRR method is one of the most powerful ways that you can build wealth through real estate investing. I'm Lou Raven. Welcome to Lou Raven Real Estate, where I'll teach you how to build your business and expand your empire. The BRRRR method was coined by David Green from Bigger Pockets a few years back. David brought a really popular strategy from commercial real estate into the Main Street investing world. BRRRR stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. And it's the exact steps that I followed time and time again to build my real estate portfolio. The basic idea is that you want to find a great property in a good area, something that's a little bit below market value that needs a little bit of TLC. We're going to do a renovation, much like a flip. That in turn increases the value of the property. You want to rent the property out so that way it becomes positive cash flow. You have tenants paying you every single month. Then you go to a bank and you refinance the property. You use a product called a cash out refinance, which I'll explain in a future video, to take money out of that property. So all the profit you made from the rehab, you're going to take out, and then you'll go ahead and reinvest in a new property. And that's the repeat step. This is an extremely powerful way to build your wealth. You just kind of recycle the same money time and time again and build up a portfolio of cash flowing assets. Stay tuned. I'll explain the entire process through this video series.